Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day 2 of 100 days of coding challenge, and today we are going to solve a question on Leetcode power of 2. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into the question. And the question is power of 2. The question is basically saying that we have to check if a number is power of 2 or not. And the constraints clearly define that the number is in the range of a 32-bit integer. So here are two approaches of doing this question. First approach is brute force approach. Brute force approach, basically recursion or while loop. That's not that effective. And the second approach is bit manipulation. In bit manipulation, what we can see is a pattern. Like 2 is represented as 10 in binary, 4 is represented as 100 in binary, and 8 is represented as 1000 in binary. What this states is we can see a pattern. जितने भी 2 की पावर्स होंगी वो ये फॉलो करेंगी ही करेंगी. उनका पहला डिजिट हमेशा 1 रहेगा and then बाकी सारे 0 रहेंगे. And what we can see is कि if we take their AND with 1 less than them, उनसे एक कम के साथ अगर हम उनका 1 लेंगे AND लेंगे sorry, so what we can see here is this type of behavior. What is 3? 3 is 11. And what is 7? 7 is basically 1 1 1. So we can clearly see कि अगर हम इनका AND लेंगे तो the output will be going to be 0, and we can check if it is 0 or not. So what we have to do now is just return n and n minus 1 is equals to 0. And जो भी नंबर 1 से छोटे होंगे वो तो सारे 0 के 0 होंगे ही. If n is less than 1, return false. As simple that. Now let's just try to run this question. And the question is working. Now just let's try to submit it. And the code got submitted. Here's the final code.